Hey, food lovers, get ready for a delicious adventure. Today, we're making classic stuffed cabbage rolls. This recipe is pure comfort food. It's warm, hearty, and perfect for a cozy family dinner. Don't be scared by the steps. This recipe is easier than you think. Let's get rolling. Before we start cooking, gather all your ingredients. This makes cooking easier and more fun. Here's what we need. 1 large head of green cabbage, 1 pound ground beef, half a cup uncooked white rice, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 15-ounce canned tomato sauce, 1 14.5-ounce canned diced tomatoes, undrained, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. The star of our dish is the cabbage. First, carefully remove any tough outer leaves from the cabbage. Now, we need to soften the leaves for rolling. Place the whole cabbage in a large pot of boiling water. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the leaves are pliable. Remove the cabbage and let it cool. Gently peel off individual leaves, about 12 to 15 for rolling. Set them aside. Section 4. The flavor bomb, making the filling. Time to make the filling. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, uncooked rice, chopped onion, parsley, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well with your hands. This is where the flavor comes alive. Section 5. Roll it up, assembling cabbage rolls. Now comes the fun part. Take a cabbage leaf and lay it flat on a plate. Place a spoonful of the meat filling in the center of the leaf near the stem end. Fold the sides of the cabbage leaf over the filling, then roll it up tightly from the stem end to the tip. Repeat with the remaining cabbage leaves and filling. Section 6. Simmer and serve. Cooking your cabbage rolls. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a large baking dish, spread a thin layer of tomato sauce. Place the cabbage rolls seam side down in the dish. Pour the remaining tomato sauce and the diced tomatoes over the rolls. Cover the dish tightly with aluminum foil. Bake for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the cabbage is tender and the filling is cooked through. Serve your delicious cabbage rolls hot with a dollop of sour cream or a sprinkle of fresh parsley. They pair perfectly with mashed potatoes, buttered noodles, or a side of crusty bread. Enjoy!